Hi guys! We're going to be making keto lemon bars today. They're keto friendly and gluten free. So here we go. You're going to start out with the crust and you're going to preheat your oven to 350. In a bowl, you're going to have 2 cups of almond flour, 6 tablespoons of butter melted, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and 1/3 cup of sweetener. We use monk fruit, but you can use swerve, you can use stevia, whichever one you'd like to use.
If you're not doing it keto friendly,
you can use regular sugar.
Totally up to you.
So you're going to mix all that together until it's well combined, and then you're going to press it into your baking sheet or baking pan, 8x8, 9x9, and make sure it just has a 1/2 inch lip so you can push it along the sides. If you want to put a piece of parchment paper in the bottom of it, it'll make it a heck of a lot easier to pull out once it's been baked.
Okay.
Once it's all mixed together, press it into the bottom, and then you're going to put it in your oven for 10 minutes on 350.
So pretty thin, right?
Yes.
This is not lunch. This is a snack today. Oh, it's like almost really missing it from this. I think that's pretty close.
Perfect.
That's good enough.
So once you have it pressed in the bottom of your pan, you're going to set it in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes. We've got our crust in the oven right now and it's baking. So we'll go ahead and start making the filling. What you're going to need is a saucepan. You're going to take a 1/2 cup of butter and melt it in the saucepan. Then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of sweetener. And again, we're using monk fruit to sweeten. You can use stevia, you can use swerve, or you can use regular sugar if you don't want to make it keto. Then you're going to need a 1/2 cup of lemon juice and a 1/4 cup of lemon zest. You whisk that all together. Once that's all well combined, you're going to take it back to the heat on low heat and add in 6 egg yolks and 1 egg white. For low heat, and we're going to slowly add in our egg yolks and egg whites. Whisk them in until we get a custard consistency. Great, we're getting our custard consistency, if you can see. Very bad lighting back here. I'm going to turn that off because I think we've got it hot enough. We've got our lemon mixture, so it's a custard consistency now. You're going to take a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin and dissolve that into the mixture. All right, once that's added in, your crust should have cooled for a little while you were making the custard mixture. And then you're just going to pour it over the top.
Ooh, looks good. Smells good. Here, let's put this here.
Then you'll smooth it over the top of your crust. Make sure it's good and even. And then you will take it and pop it in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes. All right, we've taken our lemon bars out of the oven after they bake for 15 minutes on 350. And we're gonna taste test, see how they are. I sprinkled a little bit of the monk fruit sweetener on top. You could even do the Swerve powdered sugar sweetener if you want to sprinkle on top if you're keeping it keto. Or if you're just using regular powdered sugar, you can do that on top as well. So let's taste test.
Mask off.
Those are good. They are pretty good. Took too big of a bite. All right, well, that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed our lemon bar recipe and try it out this week. Have a great day and a great week.
Bye.
Bye.
We're really close to the ceiling.
Tiny kitchen.
3 hours later. Because then they see like.
Welcome to our kitchen. We're gonna cook for you.